I'm gonna poach some eggs here with our brunch, and I'm doing my super easy poached egg hack. It is so simple, and if you haven't seen it, I'll show you guys how I do it and a couple of tweaks also that were suggested to me about it. I'll share what those are. So I heat the water to a boil. I splash a little bit of vinegar in it, and then I just kind of move it off to the side. I've got an egg cracked in a bowl here, and I put a splash of vinegar in it as well to fish it out of there. After a couple minutes, you can just go in and you can check on it, see if it's to your doneness. That looks perfect, and just spoon it out. And then crack the next. Got the next one here. Just gently dropping that in. I think the vinegar did help the whites separate a little bit less. Some people say they can taste that vinegar, and some people don't. And other people also do like a little tornado swirly thing in the water to help it keep together too, but it seemed to need to do that too much. The second one here, and we are gonna scoop it out, put it over here, and make the next one. Drop that little guy in. And Chef Michael actually gave me this great tip about keeping the eggs hot or warm by putting some hot water in them. And it's a great little tip to keep them hot while you're poaching the other ones before you eat. So thank you, Michael. I love fishing these little eggs out. It is kind of fun. So get the last one going here. And that should be, just fish that last one out here, and we are going to be ready to go with our brunch here. Those are staying nice and hot. On the poached egg hack, super easy. It really is a efficient, quick method to poach the eggs, and I'm going to serve it now with our brunch and with some chicken liver pate I prepped yesterday, and that really nice slow cooked beef. Got some poached eggs here and the pate and that amazing slow cooked beef. It's going to be super delicious, and of course I gotta pop these. Yeah, some egg lava is necessary for dipping. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching, guys. For more recipes like this, you can check out the Ketogenic Girl channel on YouTube or my IGTV channel on Instagram. And there are more recipes available, including meal plans and coaching at www.ketogenicgirl.com.